all-wheel drive and power moonroof. Spotless. Nicest one in Torrington. You don't have to worry about depreciation on this gorgeous 2007 Chrysler Pacifica. The guy before you got it all. What a guy. Is there a doctor nearby? Runs so smoothly, you may need to borrow a stethoscope. The Pacifica scored the top rating in the IIHS frontal offset test. It is nicely equipped with features such as AWD, power moonroof, third-row seats, split bench, four-wheel disc brakes, 7 speakers, ABS brakes, adjustable pedals, alloy wheels, AM/FM radio, auto-dimming door mirrors, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, automatic temperature control, CD player, driver vanity mirror, dual front impact airbags, electronic stability control, four-wheel independent suspension, front reading lights, fully automatic headlights, garage door transmitter, heated front seats, illuminated entry, knee airbag, leather shift knob, leather steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, luxury leather trim first and second row seats, memory seat, occupant sensing airbag, outside temperature display, overhead airbag, passenger vanity mirror, pedal memory, power door mirrors, power driver seat, power steering, power windows, rear air conditioning, rear reading lights, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, remote keyless entry, reverse sensing system, security system, speed control, speed sensing steering, steering wheel mounted audio controls, tilt steering wheel, traction control, trip computer, and variably intermittent wipers. New car test drive said. Crossovers are supposed to combine the best attributes of sport utility vehicles, sedans and minivans, and the Pacifica still does that as well as any, at very attractive prices.